hands down. Widen your hands. Hands on your hips, bend your knees, breathe in. And breathe, bend forward, breathe out.
Chris.
Akala ko kung ano. Tingin ka na sa camera.
Straighten your back, breathe in. And bend your right leg.
Ay, hindi, wala.
As low as you can, with your hand for 1. You can put your hands down for balance.
Isang linggo na tayo dito.
Grabe, binaba pa.
7, 8, back to the ground. Back to the
Ay, pucha.
And then put your right foot towards your inner hip. Breathe your straighten legs. Breathe in. And breathe out. Bend forward. As low as you can. Okay lang kahit hindi sobra.
Tama ba yun sa akin?
But ang focus is your
Parang iba yung session ko.
Hindi, nasa kabila.
If you feel pain sa
Kabilang side.
Tama na.
Pero tama.
good. If you feel pain in your heart, that's not good. Bend your front leg. Figure 4
Ay,
with your right over your left foot for your one set. Again.
hanggang dyan. Hanggang dito.
Kaya mo yun sa floor. Laban ram.
Yawa, hanggang dito lang.
Okay, let's go. Back to your original position.
Talagang binalik mo pa.
Okay, sige. Straighten your front leg, bend forward. Go to the other side with your left leg. Breathe in and breathe out. Bend your left foot.